Welcome to English Library channel. This is very interesting.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Is this really interesting? This is not really interesting. Isn't this really interesting? I went immediately. Did you go immediately? I didn't go immediately. Didn't you go immediately? I still remember that. Do you still remember that? I don't remember that. Don't you remember that? You can trust me. Can you trust him? I can't trust him. Trust me. Don't trust him. Don't trust her. Don't trust them. What is your ambition? I don't have any ambition. Don't you have any ambition? Why don't you have any ambition? He came for you. Did he come for me? He didn't come for you. Didn't he come for me? Why did he come for me?
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம நம்மளோட சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இதே மாதிரி நிறைய சூப்பரான வீடியோஸை பார்க்க மறக்காம பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணி ஆல் அப்படின்னு செட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. மறுபடியும் இதே மாதிரி ஒரு சூப்பரான வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். Until then, you take care. Thanks for watching.